It's a Stitch Fix day. It's been a while since I've had a Stitch Fix, I think it's been a while. I've received some previews, I've declined them. I've ended up declining the entire box and just said, you know, cancel this month's fix. So this one was better and I'm excited to open it and share with you guys. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try-on of Stitch Fix. And let's see, who do I have? My stylist is Des. I've never had Des. They probably figured I need a new stylist. Okay, so we'll look at the pricing later. You get this really nice, you know, letter from your stylist, which I'll read later, and how to style the outfits of the items that they send you into outfits, and then the pricing, of course. So I don't know, let's just get started. Let's kind of move this along, I think, a little bit. I'm going to show you the items real quick, and then I'll do a try-on, and we'll talk about each item as I try them on. So, let me tell you, Stitch Fix, $25 styling fee, and that is applied to anything that you keep. Shipping is free, and if you use my referral link, we both receive a $25 credit. I'll receive one also, so that's always nice. You can put that credit to a lot of use. Feels like a lot of sweaters in this box. Well, that's kind of cute, which surprises me because there's a print, but it's a V-neck and it's just got, you know, little dots of like a rust and a cream, I would say, or maybe that's brown. With it being a V-neck, it's lightweight. Okay, a possibility. Ooh, this feels nice. Market in Spruce. This feels soft and it's got a V-neck. I don't know what color that is. That's pretty. Okay. Wonder how many times I'm going to say okay in this video. Oh, I requested this. I saw this. Who got this? Was it Janine? Did you get this, Janine? And I think Janie, not Janine. Somebody, who got this? Okay, I don't remember. Look at how pretty this is. The color, the sleeve. I think it was Janine. It's more of it's got the pocket, so it's a circle cardigan. This is heavy. That's nice. Oh, pair of jeans. It's always scary. These are Democracies, and I know I didn't say that right, size 8 Absolution, and they are a curve fit. Okay, curve, I am curvy, but curvies usually don't fit me well. They're usually too baggy in the legs. Oh, yeah, that's a big leg. Wonder what these are. Oh, well, try them on, you never know. Another pair of jeans. Oh, mid-rise. Oh, Judy Blue. Okay, I requested these also from Janine's channel also. Look at those. Oh, these are short. No. Oh, nope. These are probably cropped. Yeah. But, you know, we'll try them on. You never know. I just wanted to try the brand. All right, let's get to try on. All right, let's talk about this sweater. It's pretty sweet. I mean, it's pretty sweet. It's pretty cute. I meant to say soft. It's very soft. I'll take this necklace off. It is by Market in Spruce. They call it a blush, but this doesn't look blush to me. It looks more like a cream with maybe like a heather, it's a heather color print. Let me start over. They call it a blush. It looks cream to me, and it looks like it has a little bit of gray in it. But it is a waffle knit sweater. It's called the Tabatha from Market in Spruce. I am wearing a size medium. It is machine washable, and you can it'll tumble dry, they say. So it's a nice length. It's really soft. but it's $70. Okay, there's nothing special about this sweater for $70. So this is gonna be a no. It's nice, I don't love it. There's other things I will reach for than this. Oh, did I tell you that this is Stitch Fix number 50, 50. Yeah, that's a lot of Stitch Fixes to get. Let's see. Okay, so let's talk about these jeans. They are mid-rise. They are by Judy Blue. They're called the Girlfriend jeans, and they're ankles. You guys know how I feel about ankles. I mean, they feel nice, except I feel like there's too much extra material right here. Not sure if I told you I'm wearing a size 8 and I'm 5'3". So they just don't feel, I feel like I need to keep pulling them up. I mean, they are kind of high for mid-rise. I mean, here's my belly button. But they're just, you know, the ankle is just a weird feeling for me. I don't like ankle jeans. I mean, I like them if they were skinnies and they're longer and they're around your ankle. Those are I'm okay with. But these like cropped ankle, I don't like them on me. And I know a lot of people wear them and they always look cute on everybody else. But for me, I'm not comfortable in them. These are $62. And I mean, they're nice, but they're not for me. So they're going back. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, I have the last 3 pieces on, but I want to explain something. This top, I was looking at the wrong description. This is actually $44, which makes it more affordable, and it is considered a beige. So my mistake. This is the item, the cardigan, that is $70. Okay, that makes sense. All right, this is the blush by Market & Spruce. I like the style of this top a lot. I am wearing a size medium. I like the curve with the pockets, but I don't like the back. Look at that. That is not flattering. And for that reason alone, I am not keeping this. And otherwise, if it was straight or curved down, but where it goes up, no, not for this girl. But it sure is nice. It's nice. It's kind of thick, but not too thick. So it's really pretty, but so this is going to be a no. So right now we're 3 no's, and we've got 2 items left. All right, let's talk about this top. This is by Daniel RAINN. I am wearing a size small. It is hand wash. Okay, I'm trying to get away from hand wash because I'm running out of room where to lay things out because I have to lay out my denim. I can't put my denim in the dryer. So, unless I absolutely love it, I'm not going to hand wash, and I've taken a chance washing some things and they did not come out well. Some items do, some items don't. And this top is $68. For $68, it is not worth taking the chance for it, but I do like it. Surprisingly, the print I like, it fits well. It's got the hem on the bottom, just has a little bit of ribbing like it, well, no, guess it doesn't on the sleeve. Yeah, there is a little bit, but it's hard to see. The cardigan I had on got fuzz all over the top. And let me show it to you a little bit more. So this is the length here. It fits nice. I really like it, but not for hand wash. I'm just, you know, you start trying to figure out what can go in the dryer, what can't, what can be washed, what needs to be hand washed. And honestly, I take my laundry to my daughters when I go and wash the boys. Every day I take a load, whatever Mike and I wore the night before. And I just do all of our laundry, hers and the boys and ours, and fold and put away. I mean, they always have clean clothes. So, and having hand wash things, for me to lay them out at her house and then bring them back to my house, it's a pain, let me tell you. So I am staying away from hand wash unless it's something I absolutely love. I like this a lot, but not for $68 and hand wash. Okay, but it does feel pretty good. The jeans, okay, I thought I was gonna love these. I love the fit. These are by Democracy. They are the Kathryn Bootcut. I had to put my heels on because they're a little longer. They're $78. I am wearing a size 8. Pockets. think these are mid-rise, and they're black, but they like, you can, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's the, you know, the fuzz. It just catches everything from that sweater. And I don't want to worry about that. You know, I want to be able to just put something on and go and not have to worry about it. So these are, there's some, whatever the material is, these are just catching all that. Okay, I'm going to interrupt this video for a minute because I want to share with you guys, if you have not seen my fashion video, I will link it up here. It is a 5 for 5. Spoiler alert, I am wearing the animal print shirt from that box. It is so nice. I absolutely love it. Okay, just wanted to remind you, and if you haven't seen it, please check out my fashion box. For all 5 items, it's $322, get a 25% discount, which would be $80.50. And let's see, no styling fee. So my sub to keep the entire box would be $241.50, which honestly, you guys, I'm going to return everything. Yeah, I'm just not excited about, nothing excited me about this box. I mean, everything's nice and it's more my style, but for the pricing or the hand wash, the jeans collecting, you know, the fuzz from a sweater. I mean, I could get that with my other sweaters because I wear a lot of sweaters in the winter. So, but the fit is good on these jeans. I'm just going to return the entire box, unfortunately. So, you know, if you guys want to try Stitch Fix, $25 credit. You never know. You could get a really good box, and sometimes it just takes a little bit of time for your stylist to get to know you. And this is a new stylist, but overall, I think she did a really good job. I really, really do. But I'm pickier, if that's such, you know, you guys know me that have been following me. I'm very picky on the clothes that I keep because, you know, I can only wear so many things. I only have room for so many clothes. And I am trying, as I keep things, I get rid of things. But I'm trying to be smarter about the items that I keep. And I'm only purchasing, I should say, these aren't free, purchasing the items that I absolutely love. But I like sharing them with you because you might see something that you would like to order. You know, you never know. So you can order your, I'm rambling. I am rambling. I need to stop rambling. And just, you know, if you want to give them a try, you'll probably love it. I love receiving style boxes though. I love receiving them because I tried things that I haven't tried before. I am going to stop rambling. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.